noloshaydu qalbiga dhex jiifta
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته أصحابتي يوتيوب كي يقول شرطة وحنا لي هي ما ينمس مستفاد وحنا لي subscribe
to the channel right now. If you don't subscribe, I'm gonna take the dollar and dollar's gonna eat you.
Okay إن شاء الله waxaan rabaa inaan walaalkay ku xijeysto Soomaali يعني xijooyin inaan ku xijeysto hadduu Soomaali ku garanayo iyo hadduu ku garanayba ila socdo asxaabta
Yeah, what he said.
Okay marka xogaa Soomaali uu ku adagay la socdo marka waxaan rabaa inaan ka aarsado war weyn baa weydiinaya okay waraa waxay sheegtaa
What's up my nigga?
What is the girl maxaa waa
Get it how I camel.
Oh good job give him 5
Okay.
ari maxaa la dhahaa
Ari? Goat? No, sheep.
No you got it it's good
Goat.
ما شاء الله uu gartay labada su'aalood marka dib basti aada because ma weyn ku yaqaan ma xogaa yar kan galay waxa sheeg marka
What?
waxaro
What the yo waxaro? Like you mean I took a shit waxaro?
حرب ما قصدي سوى مصر no حرب no ما ضوي ما قصينه حرب لا no I say وحرو اسمها حرب
Okay, what's waxaro? Never heard it. Oh well, I never heard
ريدا المهذا
Huh?
ريدا المهذا like God kids
Oh, okay.
you got it now
Yeah, okay.
okay waxa ii sheegtaa weylo
Okay, can you not tell me animals?
no I don't care
I don't know all the
if you
animals.
don't know I don't care I want to ask you because that's why the people they want to know the people
Okay,
if
what's
you know
up?
the animals
Okay, wow.
okay waxa ii sheegtaa lax
Lah.
Oh.
Lah. I heard it. Like.
almost there oh hooyo please lax sheeg lax
I heard. I know the net.
challenge ugu qosolka badna hadduu noqon waayo ku ilaali commentiga ku soo qora ninka inuu Soomaaliga siira yahay ku soo qor
It's like it's related to fully. I know it's related to fully.
laxay baa ku ilaali xaga dhasoo
No, lah is fully. But that animal is fully. Right?
no
No. Okay, that was a different animal. Okay, wait.
you don't know lax
I know lah.
Animal.
No. I heard lah before, but I forgot.
ina ku sheeg marta
Donkey? No. Give me no.
I give 5 chance
No, 3 chance.
1
Okay,
2
No. Wait. Yo.
4
Fertility killer.
فتاس كلمة بس صوالك يا قناة فيري وعوانيش فتاس كلمة صح كذي ورد فتاس كلمة بطرنا أوكي قاسو كنا على لحوي لحوي وريا شيبس
Oh.
Don't you understand? Lahyo.
لحيو يدنا
Ask me many times. What is the lah meaning?
سماي بك بريس لحيو ما يقول هنا
I heard a lot many times. My mom called me lahyo, but I forgot what that
أوكي
means.
أنا أنت تقول على لحيو how many times you tell me لحيو يعني you don't know
No,
لحيو
I call it the far. Yeah.
you know the far what does it mean
Pig, the far.
okay مو فهمي كاس وقرتي اوكي waxa kale u sheegaya fiiriya whale what is the whale
Huh?
whale
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان. Elephant.
mom nigga
That's right. Elephant wait.
صريت قاسي واحد oh my goodness مامadu قاسي واحد حتى لو قاسي right no I would say no whale and you say مرودي Soomaali wuxuu dhahay isagu wuxuu dhahay elephant laakiin waa Soomaali ismaroodi lax iyo maxas whale iyo maroodi xaas ka galay bismillah you don't know whale now
Really, Hawaii elephant.
أعوذ بالله
Okay, wait. Is big animal?
oh that's small
Small?
yeah
No, it's not. It's small. It's
it's
not.
not small it's not big it's like in the middle
Raccoon?
Just think
أعوذ
Can
بالله.
you stop? Mom, please stop. Please
just
stop.
eating him.
Don't give him
Chicken?
No chicken. You,
Chicken.
no, you eat chicken. No, you no. Bak intaas yaqaan chicken wuu yaqaanaa fi. Dooro waay chickenka.
Oh, daughter.
How was he shaking? How was shaking the body? I think.
Yeah, man.
Because أنا waxaa kula whale baa kula. You don't know whale? What? Every day we eat. You know.
Okay.
Every day we eat that meat.
Lamb.
No.
Okay, what is it?
What do we eat now? Right now?
Goat.
No. Not goat.
What do you eat?
Another
Pasta.
Pasta, yes. It's small.
Spaghetti. Oh, that's suqar, right?
Suqar, but where did it come from? Suqar.
That's goat.
It's not goat.
What's that?
Goat?
That's not sheep.
Not sheep.
That's not camel.
Not camel.
It's not common.
What else did I eat?
You don't even know what else you eat.
You don't know.
I thought it was a goat.
How you eat the America? You eat like goat? No, we don't accept. That's the animal for the cow animal and kids.
Oh, cow.
Cow. You eat now the cow. That's,
I forgot cow. I forgot cow. I forgot
That's
cow.
the 3 times out.
No. I'm talking about English. No.
ما يقان لح.
No.
Okay.
The cow itself, I don't know. I forgot.
don't care. I don't care if you forget. That's the 3
I
chances.
forgot that one animal. This one.
5
I'm talking
chances.
English.
You're going out.
The fuck?
Okay. Akas doofaar ku barta fiiriya. He know how to say doofaar kaliya. Okay, waxa ku weydiina waraa nirig. Do you know nirig?
Who's the blood?
Ah, yaqaan.
What?
Nirig?
Nirig.
No, أنا بكسر بالنرجة.
My mom even she don't know. Okay.
Is that something we
That's the-
eat?
Wallahi aniga Soomaali waa ka baday xaafadda dhamaantiin.
Is this something we eat?
Yes.
Are you kidding me?
Wallahi.
Chicken.
No.
It's Gail, I think.
Mom, can you stop?
Girl?
It's girl, but where's the girl? What does that mean?
Is it a baby girl?
Now you gotta see. Oh yeah, I'm saying I'm just being. That's something. What? Where? You don't know anything? Nick to a girl what they will make riska. And you don't know. Forward, I don't care. You don't get it. This is the 4th channel. The 5th one. We done the برنامج إن شاء الله بعد مننا. So waxa we.
You hurt my god.
Good, because you don't know nothing. Oh, I'm okay. Give me a chance. I want to ask you something.
Okay.
Hard when like even my mom she don't know these words.
Oh, come on. If she doesn't know, I don't know.
You better know because I know too. What do you mean?
Yeah, we just
I forgot. I don't know. Somehow I want to ask something, but okay. You know.
Wake me
you
up
know,
tomorrow.
waxaa sheegtaa okay waxaa sheegtaa gorgor
What?
gorgor please mom I'm not asking you can you stop
I'm just singing.
Mom, Iawi.
no caawi okay no caawi what do you mean mama caawi edab tarana no caawiyos
I just heard the sing. I don't know what is the good one.
you don't know too I told you
I just heard only the
Mom, please, Iawi.
please caawi
No. What's the name? What's the name again? Gorgo.
yeah
Is that an animal?
yes
It's something we eat.
no والله انتو كنت مركز تكارر مركز رح يموت وحين العمر
I think it is son name. Son.
can you stop mom
Has.
I know but stop please mama ما شيء مركز
Has again.
والله سوف والله حرون الله سبت حتى الله والله انا مش
Oh, she picked me up.
A bird?
انا ساكت سبت حتى لما قربت
What kind
زيرو
of the bird?
you don't know
No, I see. Wait, what kind of the
Yes,
bird?
what's the-
The bird has a different name.
different names
What? Okay. A hawk?
أعوذ
No.
بالله.
Eagle.
Well, yes, eagle wuu gartay, yes.
Eagle miya?
Exactly, yes.
Eagle-ka gurgur u dhahaa.
Yes. Baalasha dheerka eagle-ka. American eagle ma maqli jirteen. Thank you guys asxaabteeda ku cusub.
You made me smell like
channelkayga.
this.
Waxaan leeyahay subscribe aan haddaad ka heshid insha Allah Cabdullaahi inaan kusoo xujeysto su'aalo kaleeto oo Soomaali ah oo yacni su'aasha rabtiin commentiga igu soo qora weerka soo weydiiyo igu dhaha so aan wana inaan soo weydiiyo insha Allah aan waxaan leeyahay thank you so much subscribe my YouTube. What else you say?
I don't know.
You say something.
Okay. Let's just subscribe to his channel, subscribe to my channel,
Channel, we
Abnation
have-
TV.
Yes.
It's on the description below, right here. Or my channel is right here. So subscribe.
Isla leedihiin.
Yes, waa sala nahay isaga iyo aniga waxaan sala kana waa sala nahay the other one waa sala nahay twins.
Yeah,
Let me know
twins.
that.
I'm the fat one, he's the skinny one. So
Okay guys, thank you so much and aad bani wal salaamina. Subscribe and like, share, comment. Bam bam. Bam bam bam. Go ahead then.
boom.